Hello friends, welcome to C Sharp Intermediate to Advanced tutorial. Now you are watching part 2 of the video, the example for a tab container. So this is the example we are going to create in the next coming videos. So first let's learn about the example. So the example contains a tab container, and you can see this one is the tab container with 4 pages. So by default, a tab container will have a 2 page, and here we added 4 pages. Then inside each page we have some controls, and here the picture shows we are at 4th page, and that contains a list kind of a control. Then inside the group box we have a checkbox, keep tab left. This will help to place the orientation of this tab. At present you are seeing these tabs are towards the top, right? By using this option we can arrange the tabs towards the left. Page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4, like that. Then these controls are, the radio buttons are here to set different button style for this tab. So these are all the buttons: page 1, page 2, page 3, and page 4. So using this we can set different button style. Then we have a checkbox here, multi-line tabs. When there are more number of tabs, we can arrange the tab in multi-line. Say for example, this is the form, and these are all the tabs, and when there is no room to accommodate third tab, we can make use of multi-line to show that third tab here. 1, 2, 3, third tab comes in the next line. Without this multi-line tab, you will see a arrow mark like this, and using those arrow mark you can scroll through the tab. Here this add tab button is useful to add the tab at runtime. Let's say we have typed ABC here, then we click the add tab. So what happens here, we will get a new tab ABC. So this will help you to know how to add a tab dynamically to a existing tab control. So now let us look at the form design. Here I am not going to design the form. Instead I will show the already designed form, and we will discuss about the set of properties. So here is the project. You can create a Windows application project, and this one is the tab control 1. I haven't yet changed the name. Then there is nothing special here. We just added 4 tab pages. So you can click add here. By default a tab control will show 2 page that we saw in the previous video, and if you want to add more you can make use of this add, or here also you can add and remove. These are all the quick task button. Once you place the control you can click here, then once you click the arrow you can perform some very frequently used task on this control. You can add tab or remove tab. Alright, so if you see here we have 4 tab pages. There is a label inside first page 1. Second page I placed some button. These are all some random control I placed. You can place whatever you want, but name this control as tab control 1, the default one. Don't change the name. when we are coding, we will make use of this default name. After that, we have one group box. Inside that, we have a checkbox control. After the group box, you add these controls so that this control belongs to the group box, and the name is chk left tab. Then we have 3 radio buttons: RAD normal, RAD button, and RAD flat. So these radio buttons are to change the button shape. Then we have multi-line chk tab multi. That's the name given for this particular control. After that, btn tab add, and there is a text box txt tab name. That's all the controls here. You can place the control as you like. Size and positions are not important. The name is useful. If you use the same name when we are going to the coding part, you no need to change the control names when we are coding. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.